Alright guys, today we're going to be installing this right here, a breather from VTT. Very easy installation, to be honest. There are a lot of benefits in doing this, and basically all you really do is you get your old oil cap. I really like this one, the newer one. I really do not like the N54 one that normally comes, which is like 2 pieces and it opens up like that. We're going to be upgrading to this for a few reasons, but before you install it, make sure it has a O-ring right here. You can see this one comes with it. It's like a little rubber part. If it does not have that, take it off of the old one. See, there's a rubber. Take it off of the old one that you have and put it on here, because if not, you're gonna get like a leak, a vacuum leak or boost leak, because it does use the PCB and stuff like that. All you do basically is attach it right here. There's a ball in here. Some people take that out. I've heard people take it out because it gets stuck or something, but I'm gonna leave it on for now just cause. But just like that, it's installed. There's no click, no nothing. But the main reasons you want to do this is, especially when you got upgraded turbos like me and your boost starts to leak into your crankcase and everything's, you know, is a lot higher than stock, your gaskets are going to start to give out because there's way too much crankcase pressure in here. Basically all in your everything that's crankcase. So mainly your valve cover gasket, your oil pan gasket, your rear main seal, your front main seal, anything that really that touches oil and that keeps oil in will start to get pushed out if you don't install one of these and you have upgraded turbos or are pushing a lot more boost than you should be. So I would highly suggest getting this, because I'm on upgraded 17Ts on eBay. Check out that video. Very good turbos. I'll make a separate video about that. But the main reason, like I said, upgraded turbos, make sure to get these, because my oil pan gasket is leaking and I just replaced it about 20,000 miles ago. And I'm pretty sure it's due to the fact that I'm running 22 psi and I do not have this. And I've heard people that have been running this since they went upgraded turbos and they haven't had an issue with any sort of oil leaks. So yeah, the main reason I'm saying this is because I am going through that, where my oil pan gasket's leaking. My oil filter housing gasket was surprisingly leaking as well. I made a video on that. And both of these things only have maximum like 30,000 miles on them. So make sure to get this. And yeah, I'm not sponsored by any of these people or whatever, but from what I know, this is going to help out your N54 a lot more, even when it comes to draining your oil, because turbos need to be able to drain the oil. And if your crankcase pressure is too high, your turbos are not going to be able to drain the oil because of all the pressure in the oil system. But yeah, just thought you guys take that into consideration, you know. So make sure to get that, and thanks for watching.